Hello world, my name is Ivan Sunday from Nairobi, Kenya, and this is my final project presentation named MoreSay. We require to register a user. We have a username, email, password, confirm password. Should be taken to the login page after registration, after which we should be able to log in with our username and then the password. We should be taken to the dashboard where we currently have no posts, but on the right side we have a suggestion list of the friends you can have. Click on a friend, we should be able to see their profile picture, bio information, followers, following, and their posts. So if we follow this guy, we should be able to see his posts populated on our dashboard. So currently we have only one follower, so this is our list of friends. If we go back home, we should be able to see all his posts. Now we can be able to comment post. Now let's Daniel comment. Click comment. We should be able to comment. We should be able to create our own post. Right, Daniel post. Click on post. We should be taken to the dashboard where our post comes at the very top. The latest post comes at the very top with the ability now to edit and delete our own posts. So let's edit our post. Click edit. Now our post is edited. Before we delete it, let's go to our settings page, change our username to Daniel2, provide our password 8089. Alright, if that is okay, then we should be able to see here that our username has been updated successfully. Now let's go to our profile page where we should be able to change our profile picture and our bio, my bio. Also see our posts down here. So if we click save, we should be able to see that our bio has been updated. You can change our profile picture, choose profile picture. Alright, I want to choose this one. Upload, should be uploaded there. Then go back to our home page. You can see that our post has been updated with the current username and password. Now we can delete this post. Prompted, click OK. Post has been deleted. Now we can log out. Thank you everyone. This was my final project with Flask and SQLite. Thank you.